How's it going, everyone? So check this video out. This is my buddy Duke riding around on a GS, and this just proves you don't have to be full leathers and hang off the bike and try and drag your knee or elbow everywhere in order to ride very well, very quickly, and have a lot of fun. Fully geared up, he has an airbag vest underneath his jacket. He's riding a GS with Road Smart 4 tires, and he is my inspiration. My goal, I even told my doctor, I want to be Duke. I want to be 73 years old, still ripping around on a bike, super comfortable, not doing anything dramatic, no close calls, totally knows what to do. And he's been riding for 60 years. He's 73, he's been riding since he was 13. I've been working with him a lot for like the last year about trail braking because he was like on the brakes really hard and he would let go and kind of lean and pray. And I was like, keep those brakes on longer past tip in, control your mid-corner speed, use that torque of that bike to get up and out of the corners. So he's doing really, really well. He's an inspiration to all of us. And I saw this quote that said, a monk said, instead of wishing you woke up tomorrow and you're 18 or 20 years old again, imagine you're 90 on your deathbed and you woke up today at the age you are. How excited would you be about life? Like if I'm 95 years old on my deathbed, just sitting in a nursing home waiting to die right now, and I woke up today, right now, at 40 years old, dude, I'd be so excited. So why not just pretend that's true? Isn't that a better outlook of life? So you don't have to be doing anything crazy, despite what the internet or social media says about body position or whatever the hell. Anytime you hear anything, look, we're riding around on the street. Duke proves you could ride very well, very quickly, high speed, low speed. It does everything very well. And you don't have to try to look like a complete MotoGP racer on the street. And I'm not even wearing full leathers on the street anymore. I bought an airbag vest. I just made a video about it. Riding my street gear. I'm just riding around neutral, not even doing body position. Because my buddy Mike, I've known for 10 years, my mechanic, Moto Mecca, he said it best to me, and he's been saying it to me for 5 years now. I'm just too stupid to listen. But I'm finally listening. If you have to use body position on the street, you're going too fast. So here's a perfect example of riding very quickly, very well on a GS. People on 1,000cc sport bikes try to follow him up the mountain. They're like, bro, you're freaking gone. And Duke's like, yeah, I'm just chilling, and everything. So he is my inspiration. So here's a little clip of him riding up the mountain. So it's Mike, Moto Mecca. He's leading the way on his XR, and then Duke, and then me.